All right, so I just called Ruth's Diner. We're here on State Street and 33rd. I wanted to confirm that they're open for dine-in before we drove up there, and they are open for dine-in. It is about a 30-minute wait though, but they do have outdoor seating. He said we might be able to sit inside sooner than 30 minutes, so we'll take our chances and go up there and enjoy some breakfast. All right, we just arrived here at Ruth's Diner. As you can see, it's a spectacular day. They shared with us that the wait is 40 minutes if we wanted to eat outside. I've actually never eaten outside. I've been here twice, but like I said, it was like 10 years ago. But it's 5 to 10 minutes if we eat inside. So I said, great, we'll do inside just so we can get in and have some breakfast. But this diner right here is located at the mouth of Immigration Canyon, just past Hogle Zoo a little bit. You can see it's in a super cool setting right here in the mouth of the canyon. And so it's a pretty popular joint and they've got good food, so what else can be better?
We're not handing out hard copies of our menu just to limit the contact.
Okay.
So if you just use your camera, you scan that QR code, a link will pull up on your screen like a notification.
Just like my camera?
See that link to Safari that pulled up at the top?
Oh, never done that before.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That is crazy. I believe it's their cornbread. Probably should be using a knife instead of a spoon, but buttering it up. Whatever you decide I should eat as well, Dick.
Really?
Yeah.
If I gave you a Benedict,
Okay.
what meat do you like? Did you look at them at all? There's a salmon one,
Okay.
there's a plain egg one, there's a pulled pork, and then a chicken fried steak.
Chicken fried steak sounds really good. But what would you do? Would you do that?
That's what I would do.
Okay.
Does that sound good?
Yeah, it does sound
okay.
good. We got the ketchup here. I am going to be diving into this Eggs Benedict that look really amazing.
First bite impression.
That's really good. All right, well, there was my Eggs Benedict with chicken fried steak and hash browns. And as you can see, it's all gone. I really enjoyed this breakfast. I have to say that it's been a while since I've been back just because of its location. It's up here in Immigration Canyon. I don't get up here that often, but definitely gonna be coming back here more often, I think, for weekend brunches, because this food is freaking good. All right, so we just got done having a fantastic breakfast at Ruth's Diner for our restaurant review. I went with the Eggs Benedict over chicken fried steak based off the recommendation of the waitress. We did our normal protocol where we ask the waitress or waiter, in this case waitress, what they recommend, and they choose my meal for me. In this particular case, it was absolutely delicious. So if you are thinking about having a wonderful meal in a beautiful setting, Immigration Canyon, I definitely recommend heading up here to Ruth's Diner.